Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting everything ready, because speed matters once heat is applied. Load a mirrored print on PPD transfer paper at high quality, then trim close to the artwork to avoid transfer edges. Clean the substrate with isopropyl alcohol so ink adheres evenly. Once dry, preheat the surface for about 5–10 seconds to remove moisture and relax fibers. Place the transfer face down, align carefully, and apply light tack pressure so it won't shift when you apply full heat. You now focus on consistent heat and pressure, which is the core of a clean transfer. Once the press reaches the specified temperature, lower it with firm, even pressure for the full recommended time, usually 10–20 seconds at 150–180 degrees C, but follow your paper's guide. Use a parchment or Teflon sheet to protect the transfer, and do not slide the press. That smears details. If you're using an iron instead, work methodically in overlapping sections. Maintaining constant, you finish by peeling and sealing the transfer, which locks in the result. Follow the paper's peel instruction, hot or cold, by testing a corner. If it lifts cleanly, continue slowly. Once peeled, cure or heat set as recommended to bind the inks. Allow the piece to cool fully before handling and consider a protective top coat for longevity. If areas look patchy, increase temperature or pressure slightly on a repress, or reseat the transfer and repeat. This single troubleshooting step fixes most incomplete transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.